Circle. This is Circle. Look at it here. Circle, Ghana Commercial Bank. Look at it. Flooded to the brim. Circle. This is Circle. Look at it here. Circle, Ghana Commercial Bank. Look at it. Flooded to the brim.
So the Odo River is full. The Odo River is full to the brim. You see those cars there? They are not in the water course. Those cars are not in the water course. The Odo River is full to the brim. And if it keeps raining, it will overflow its banks. If this rain continues, it will overflow its banks. And if you check the weather radar, there is more rain coming from Lomé side to Accra. So, and it's just about 7 a.m. If it keeps raining till about 8, the Odo will overflow its banks. These motorbikes, if they don't pick them up, the river is likely to just sweep them off. Yeah, so this is currently the state of the Odo River. In the dry season it's a gutter, in the rainy season it's a river. This is it.
The Babcha rescue team, Kumchacha area, behind Malam station, behind Malcolm. Please, we need a rescue team. Please, we need an assistance. So people are dying in their room. The whole place is flooded with water. We are begging for an assistance. National service, fire service, please.
Shall not be afraid, no.